Greetings and welcome to this training video about how to use the text formatter workflow action. I'm going to be showing you a really cool workflow action, which is the text formatter, which will allow you to take any sort of inputs that are text and format them in one of the many ways that I'm about to show you right here within High Level. So to use this feature, obviously you're going to go to Automations and then we are going to open up a new workflow. Now within here, you'll see that the text formatter is an action. So you're going to want to click the plus, and over an action search up text formatter. You'll see that there's two variables. There's the action type, which we have all these different types of actions. We have uppercase, lowercase, title case, and many others that we can use to modify the text that is going to go into this action. My two favorite are extract email and extract URL, and I'll show you how one of those works in a second. And then also we have the field that we are actually going to be drawing the text from. So if you have someone respond, it's going to be message body. Maybe it's the email, the phone, the address, or any of these other fields that we can select right here. We can also use ChatGPT to modify have an AI field setup. Now, you may not know exactly how you would want to use this. So let me show you 3 very common use cases that I would actually use this for within my business. For this workflow, we are just launching it off of a customer reply trigger. But our first use case is going to be extracting an email from a message. So all we have to do is click that plus button, search up text formatter, and then select our action as extract email all the way at the bottom. Once we do that, we are going to select our field as the message body, which is coming in from the trigger of customer replied. And then what this is going to do is extract the email. And then what we are going to do is stick this into a spreadsheet that we are using for ads. Right here, you'll see the text underscore formatter custom value. You'll see in the custom value tags on the right hand side, you can click text formatter, and then click whichever one is the right one. In this case, it is the 5th text formatter action. Now, another really common use of this that I like a lot is using this alongside the ChatGPT workflow AI. In this case, we are going to say craft a friendly response to the message that we are receiving from the customer within the CRM. And what we are going to do is actually take this message and turn it all to lowercase. Now you might ask, why would you do that? Well, a lot of people actually like texting in all lowercase, and it makes things feel a lot more humane. And so if we are using AI, maybe we want to take an AI response and turn it to lowercase. So we are going to do just that, and we are going to take that, and then using that custom field, we are going to send it in an SMS. One more kind of fun use case I came up with, I call it family friendly, is where you can take a section of text and then actually use the replace text action, which will replace all instances of a specific word or phrase with another. In this case, our word or phrase is heck, and we are going to replace it with a family-friendly version, if you catch my drift. We are going to click save, and then we can send that in a DM, an SMS, or an email, again, by using the text formatter tag. I really like this feature, because it allows you to take sections of text within automations, and customize exactly what output you're going to get to really hone in on your tracking and your automations within the high-level CRM. It also reduces your need for a developer. If you have specific needs, like taking a section of text and extracting emails, like I showed you, or to better track things within your business. It's a cool feature with tons of functionality, so feel free to try it out yourself. Thanks for listening to this video about how to use the text formatter workflow action. For more videos like this, or to make a request for additional training videos, please go to the main menu and add a comment or ticket.